Nature has an incredible ability to rejuvenate the mind and spirit. A recent study revealed that spending just 20 minutes outside can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Individuals often share transformational stories of how hiking, gardening, or simply walking in the park has helped them find peace. Experts emphasize that nature therapy not only calms the mind, but also enhances creativity and focus. So let's embrace nature, step outside, and allow the fresh air and sunlight to nourish our souls.